Ohio, Licking County, until 11 p.m. At 10:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Utica to near Upper Arlington, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Worthington, Bexley, Granville, Pontascala, Johnstown, Hebron, Utica, Minerva Park, Hanover, Grandville South, and Martin. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 91 and 103, and between mile markers 113 and 124. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 106 and 121. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 6, Columbus, Ohio.
Well, new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for my area. The beeping in the background is my lightning detector. So, this is going to be from my county. Currently, things are looking pretty bad out there. There's frequent lightning. As you can see, let's see if I can get a strike. Let's see if I can get a strike here. Very quick one. There we go. Got a strike. Yeah, so things are not looking good right now. As of now, it is 10:21 a.m. and yeah. Okay, I'll update you guys tomorrow on the damage, and I may record any other future EAS alerts that are still to come later tonight. Bye, guys.